The topic of this video is how to fix Microsoft account creation has been blocked. Now, I worded that intro very specifically because the usual consensus among YouTube help videos is to basically clear your cache and alternatively try a different browser. But this, unfortunately, is usually not the solution. If you're encountering this error, it's because of Microsoft's servers. It's got absolutely nothing to do with your side. Now, just for safety's sake, you can go about clearing your browser and see if that works, or alternatively using Microsoft Edge, as well as making sure to switch off any ad blockers if you do have. But the main issue is on Microsoft's side, and you can see from a few older posts where users report this to Microsoft and they say they are aware of it and they are fixing it, having issues with their verification. All of these things are unfortunately out of your control. So that is unfortunately all I have for you today. Sorry for the, I would say, a bit of a downer, but hopefully it helps and maybe you wait an hour or two and come back to it, or sometimes in some cases wait a few days and come back to it. But thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.